Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you remove duplicates photos and videos on iPhone in iOS 16. You need to have iOS 16 for this method. To download iOS 16, go to Settings, tap on General, Software Update, download and install. As you can see, my iOS is up to date. To remove duplicates photos and videos, all you have to do is go to Photos app. Scroll all the way down. You will see duplicates. If you don't see duplicates, that means that you don't have any duplicates photos and videos. Tap on Duplicates. In here you can merge two photos or videos into one. Tap on Merge, and tap in Merge two items. You can do this for the rest of them. Or you can delete individually. That's how you can remove duplicates photos and videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.